use existing, let's say, shoring equipment, and other excavation tools, design devices. Pwede rin yung mga makeshift na shoring wooden, cutting tools, marami, depending situation sa dam, depending condition ng collapse structure. But ito is yung conduct of the rescue for collapse structure is a multi-agency coordination.
Okay. Hindi pwede na kayo lang, 911 lang ano.
Kompleto yan. So you have safety officer coming from engineering office. Depende kung talagang actual, kailangan explication ng so more technical skill kailangan. So yun sila. But
ilang
they also build up yung common operating picture. So dito may we have a program, software that can provide us information, a local assessment of what's going on a map. So kita natin yung so what are the collapse structures na tamaan. So meron parang rapid assessment and the necessary resources needed to contain or to stabilize, especially if it's a rescue. Marami kasi stages yan. Rescue stage, this is a stabilization, rescue, operation, security, providing rapid assessment,